this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
All right, today we're going to do fish tacos. I've never done fish tacos before, but I like fish and tacos, so this should be fun. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the fish and we're going to squeeze half a lime over it. We're going to add the garlic, cumin, chili powder, and a tablespoon of oil. We're going to season it, salt and pepper, and turn the fish in the marinade until coated. Now that I got my fish prepared and in the refrigerator, I'm going to combine the cabbage, onion, and cilantro in a large bowl. I'm going to squeeze a half a lime over it. I'm going to drizzle it with the remaining tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Warming the tortillas is easy with the Carolina Cooker cast iron skillet. All you got to do is warm it up about medium heat. Warm them about 5 minutes each side. All right, I got my salad made up. I got my tortillas warmed up. I got my Carolina Cooker skillet warmed up. I'm gonna put a little butter in it. I'm gonna get these fish fried in here. I'm gonna cook them about 3 minutes on each side until they get just almost clear looking, and then we're gonna put them on some tacos. All right, I finally got my fish done. I'm gonna build this taco. I'm gonna put a little fish on it, a little salad. I like avocado and sour cream. You can put it on there or you don't put it on there. A little hot sauce. Looks like a really good taco. Goodness. I had to make a fat boy fatter right there. More recipes like this, head over to carolinacooker.com.